The Congress claims it has a video that exposes the corruption of a minister in the Arvind Kejriwal government in Delhi. The minister targeted, Imran Hussain, has refuted those allegations. The Congress says his aide can be seen in this video recording demanding a bribe of 25 lakh rupees for him. The party also says Mr. Hussain's brother was part of that attempted scam.
दिल्ली की किसी सीट पे नहीं लगता हूँ मैं कहता हूँ भाई जब लगाया जब तो कमाएगा भाई लगा दे क्यों उम्मीद रख के तो कमा रही है लगा रही है तो बिल्डरों से निकालेगा मतलब भाई एक बात तुम समझा लाखों रुपए घर का खर्चा लाखों रुपए ऑफिस का खर्चा देखो यार एक बात सुनो तुमने ये बात भी देखी कि मंत्रालय लेने के लिए उन्होंने कितना पैसा लगाया है।
जो उन्होंने वीडियो जारी किया है उन दोनों आदमियों को मैं नहीं जानता हूं कौन है वो लोग, इन्होंने क्या करा है और मैं उनसे ये जवाब मांगना चाहता हूं अगर वो ये सिद्ध ना कर पाए मेरे बारे में या मेरे भाई के बारे में तो या तो वो राजनीति से इस्तीफा दे दें या मैं राजनीति से इस्तीफा दे दूंगा।
हमारा ये कहना है कि इसके ऊपर जांच होनी चाहिए और जैसे मैंने कहा कि खुद केजरीवाल जी को सीबीआई को जांच के लिए सुपुर्द करना चाहिए और जब तक जांच पूरी नहीं हो जाए इस मंत्री को इमरान को अपने मंत्री पद पे रहने का कोई हक नहीं है और 1 साल इस सरकार को अभी 14 फरवरी को होगा और 1 साल से पहले ये तीसरा मंत्री आधा मंत्रिमंडल इस प्रकार के शिकंजे के अंदर ये शामिल हैं और किस प्रकार से सब लोग भ्रष्टाचार के अंदर लिप्त हैं।
Sonal Mehrotra joining us from the capital for more on that story. Sonal, clearly charges and counter charges now flying.
That's right, Ankita. But what is the Congress party saying? They've released this video today. In fact, 2 sets of videos and also an audio clip. Now, in the video, you can categorically see this man who's talking in it looks like a house, to a person who claims to be an associate of the Environment Minister, Mr. Imran Hussain. And in that, you can clearly you can watch and hear him say that a sum of 25 lakhs will be taken from him if he wants to get away from that problem. Now, in the audio, what you can hear is that the same person who actually got this CD to the Congress party went to a junior engineer of the MCD saying that, I have paid the money, then why hasn't the work been done? To that, he says, why don't you contact the minister's brother who handles such things? So it's a very serious charge coming from the Congress party. However, the Aam Aadmi Party, and you heard the minister there, has categorically come out to say that they disassociate themselves with any sort of these claims. The minister is saying either the associate or either any of his associates or family members are seen involved in the case, he will quit politics, or else they should ask Ajay Maken to quit politics as well. But quite a jinxed portfolio here. Just months back, the previous environment minister was also caught in a similar sting, but that had reached Arvind Kejriwal and he had, asked him to step down pending inquiry. Now, joining us to talk more about that is Sharmishta Mukherjee. Ma'am, the timing is very crucial, right at the time when Aam Aadmi Party completes 1 year in power. But explain to us, since you have the sting video, what is the source of this?
The source is the gentleman, the complainant, Mr. Qasim. He himself got this video done and he himself is the victim of this alleged extraction for money, demand for money, and he came to us and he shared his agony with us and we decided to go public. And it's most shameful that not even a year has been completed and the anti-corruption messiah of government of Mr. Kejriwal. We have seen this last 1 year, he has been plagued with various corruption charges, scams, allegations.
What is your demand now, particularly when it comes to this sting? What are you asking for?
We are asking for a CBI probe, a neutral CBI probe, and also Mr. Kejriwal himself, as in case of Mr. Asim, he sacked him. So similarly, he should sack this minister immediately until the probe is over, and if the probe it turns out to be correct, Mr. Kejriwal cannot just shrug off his responsibility because this is his minister, then he should also resign.
Mr. Kejriwal should also take notice and resign. That's the demand from the Congress party. But the Aam Aadmi Party at this point saying that they have no relation with this. Howsoever, we'll have to wait for this, for perhaps the Arvind Kejriwal himself to respond to this entire fiasco now.
Sonal, thanks so very much for joining us with that.